Welcome to Carolina Beach, North Carolina, USA, also known as Pleasure Island. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love Carolina Beach.
I was just a labor back in 69. Thank you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Carolina Beach, North Carolina, USA. Population around 7,000. Now just for context, we have a map here. We have circled Carolina Beach. Carolina Beach is 20 minutes from Wilmington. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love Carolina Beach. People love Carolina Beach because of the boardwalk. Recognized as one of the top boardwalks in the country by the prestigious Food and Wine magazine, the Carolina Beach Boardwalk is a favorite destination for beachgoers who are in the mood for a little bit of fun off the sand. Located on the edge of Carolina Beach Avenue and Harper Avenue, the boardwalk is always teeming with action in the summer months thanks to a wide variety of activities, games, food, and attractions. People love Carolina Beach because of the fishing pier. Anglers and sightseers alike will love paying a visit to the Carolina Beach Fishing Pier, which is well known as one of the best spots in the region for great fishing and great views. Extending 700 feet into the Atlantic Ocean and featuring a classic wooden structure with plenty of benches and seating, the pier is the perfect spot to drop a line or catch incredible vistas of the Carolina Beach and the neighboring Freeman Park. People love Carolina Beach because of the state park. The impressive 761-acre Carolina Beach State Park is easily one of the most popular attractions along the Cape Fear coastline, and for good reason. This sprawling park features a wealth of activities for visitors, which include an on-site campground and marina, miles of hiking trails that veer past a wide array of habitats, and some unusual wildlife, like the famed local Venus flytraps, and ample fishing and beaches where it's easy to enjoy the scene. People love Carolina Beach because of Freeman Park. Tucked away on the northern region of Carolina Beach, Freeman Park is a sunny destination that's famed as one of the few stretches of coastline that's wide open to both four-wheel drive vehicles and rustic campers. Visitors can enjoy exceptional fishing, shelling, and surfing along the coastline, which extends all the way to the borders of the Carolina Beach Inlet, and can even camp overnight to enjoy a wholly rugged and scenic beach environment. People love Carolina Beach because of the Lake Park. Carolina Beach Lake Park is a charming 11-acre lake that's located just a few blocks away from the Atlantic Ocean, and which was once named in the Guinness Book of Records as the closest freshwater lake to salt water. A popular spot for families, the Carolina Beach Lake Park features seasonal pedal boats and kayak rentals for visitors who want to enjoy an easygoing cruise along the water. People love Carolina Beach because of Masonboro Island. Only accessible by boat and situated just north of Carolina Beach, Masonboro Island is the largest site within the North Carolina Coastal Reserve and National Estuary Research Reserve, and comprises of more than 5,600 acres of beautiful beaches, marshlands, tidal flats, and maritime forests. As a result of this natural setting, bird watchers and nature fans will be in heaven strolling along the 8.4-mile long shoreline. People love Carolina Beach because of Fort Fisher State Recreation Area. Located just south of the hopping communities of Carolina Beach and Kerr Beach, Fort Fisher State Recreation Area is a breath of fresh air for visitors who adore a little history and a natural shoreline. The 288-acre park features 6 miles of underdeveloped beaches where exceptional fishing, swimming, surfing, and shelling can be enjoyed. People love Carolina Beach because of Zeke's Island Reserve. Bird watchers and nature fans will want to venture south just past Fort Fisher to discover the stunning Zeke's Island Reserve, a beautiful island parcel that is completely underdeveloped and which is well known as a popular and thriving local shorebird habitat. The site comprises of 1,600 natural acres, which include a collection of islands, and features prime examples of undisturbed marshes, tidal flats, shrub thickets, maritime forests, and ocean beaches. People love Carolina Beach because of North Carolina Aquarium. Visitors of all ages will love taking a trip to the North Carolina Aquarium at Fort Fisher, one of 3 state aquariums which are scattered along the coastline of North Carolina. The Fort Fisher Aquarium is an impressive sight inside and out, with an exterior maritime park, a collection of interior galleries that outline the various ecosystems in the state, and a towering 2-story open ocean tank where giant sharks, rays, and eels glide through the water. People love Carolina Beach because of Snow's Cut, connecting the intracoastal waterway, sound and inlet waters with the wide Cape Fear River. Snow's Cut is one of the most popular spots for mariners in Carolina Beach. Lined with area marinas and featuring one of the largest boat launch areas in town, which is open and free to the public, the site is an ideal launching point for a wealth of adventures. Take the boat or kayak out for a cruise along the popular local waterways, or just stop by in the evening to watch the local vessels return home from a full day of fishing. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love Carolina Beach. If you've got a reason why you love Carolina Beach, pop it in the comments section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!